Hello and welcome. I'm on the lot, on the used lot, and we have a Jaguar F-Pace S. How about that? I hardly see any of these. 2017, first year for it. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Very unusual. Nittos on it. And they got some tread on them. How about this? 265/40 ZR22s. How about that? That's going to be something when you replace those. What do you think about that? Auto fold mirrors. The S is a supercharged 3-liter V6. 340 horsepower, 0 to 60, 5.1 seconds. This car was about $72,000 new. It's in black, just the way we like it. There's no listing for it, of course, so we don't know how much it is used. Those huge brakes, boy, they're the size of a dinner plate in there. Super nice. We don't know how much it's going to be here used. They don't have anything for it. But I'll tell you, I don't hardly ever see any of these. They didn't make but a few thousand of them probably in the S. It's all snowy out here today. There's the Leaper. Very interesting car. Be probably, at the price used, although any more now. I don't know about used cars, but used would be a good deal. It's probably that price of that new. So that's not bad. That's not bad. That's something we could live with, right? All right. Nice. Because again, right where we get the second one, because in a lot of countries, this can get a diesel in it. Fortunately, we don't have that on this one. I can't imagine replacing the tires on it. So I don't know how many miles are on it or anything or price, but I thought it's pretty interesting seeing it because I just never get to see an F-Pace in an S trim. You don't see many of these around anyways. People always overlook Jaguar, and they shouldn't. They shouldn't. My favorite brand, of course, in the world, and I will get one eventually. So there you go, F-Pace S out here sitting in the back lot. Disappointing. Next to a snowbank, you can come and get yours today. Thanks for watching.